To the air station and step on it. What does this guy do? Drive on instruments? Wow, not so close. What a soft job. The guy can't even see the road, so he sits there for 5 miles and collects dough for it. You'd think he'd get a job as a mechanic or a repairman or something. No, not this guy. He drives a taxi, and like a madman. In A&R. And for what? Pilot made 6 errors, they said. I'm a scapegoat. That's what I am. A scapegoat. All I did was to taxi an SNJ out to the runway, as per orders on a duly authorized flight. You can't see 40 feet in front of you in those planes anyway. And the area was like Times Square. Why do they call it a taxiway? So I proceeded cautiously, and then, without warning, some Joe stops in front of me. I jammed my brakes a safe 10 feet behind him, and he backed into me. 6 errors. I'd like to know what they were.
Okay. You want to see them? 1. You taxied into a congested area without a wingman.
There was no wingman.
You should have waited for one. In the cockpit, your forward visibility is practically...
Invisible, yeah, I know, but...
Number 2, you didn't S-turn sufficiently to clear the area.
Well, how could I? I was going too fast. That is, I was...
That's 3. The more confined the area, the slower must be the taxiing speed.
Well, that's only 3.
4, your attention was concentrated in only one direction, instead of maintaining a sharp lookout in all directions. To do this, you should have adjusted your seat for maximum visibility. If necessary, use a pillow.
Okay, but...
5, you taxied too close behind another plane. And less damage would have resulted if you'd gotten the feel of your brakes earlier.
Well, that's not quite 6, you know.
6, failure to make radio contact with the tower. Ground accidents can often be prevented by the tower if contact is maintained. You see, your 6 errors were pretty obvious.
Should have happened at night.
That's when you must be doubly careful. In fact, nearly all taxiing accidents, day or night, are the result of carelessness, a neglect of reasonable precautions taught each pilot from the beginning of his flight training. Carelessness and negligence are pilot errors that justify disciplinary action.
Carelessness, 3 weeks in the A&R, disciplinary action. So,